Hi friends, now we are going to discuss very important topic of in amplifiers, that is converting from common emitter to common base and common emitter to common collector. So simply we have common emitter, common base and common collector. Now we are going to converting from common emitter to common base, common emitter to common collector, like that. So what is the importance of this converting means, generally any amplifier you have H parameters, HI, HR, HF and H0, RS and RL value. Based on these six you can calculate all the characteristics. That characteristics are input impedance, output impedance, current gain, voltage gain including source, current gain including source and power gain. To calculate all these 7 characteristics you have to have this type of H parameters. Okay. Now generally to calculate common emitter characteristics you have to have HIE, HRE, HFE, H0E value. But our problem is you have common emitter expressions, that is HIE, HRE, HFE and H0. Based on these 7 values you can calculate common base characteristics. So first of all you have to converting from HIE, HRE, HFE and H0E to HIB, HRB, HFB and H0B. Then only all these values you can substitute in this expression. This is the meaning of your converting. Okay. Similarly, common collector, like that you can take. So before start this topic, you have to know the typical values of BJT. Okay. HI for first column, that is 22 ohms, that is HIB. HRB value is here, HIB value is 22 ohms. HIE subscript E, HIE 1100 ohms or 1.1 kilo ohms. Common collector, that is HIC is equal to 1100 ohms. HRB, now we are belongs to first column. HRB is 3 into 10 to the power of minus 4 mhos. Next, common emitter, HRE 2.5 into 10 to the power of minus 4. HRC is equal to 1. HF subscript B, that is belongs to common base. HFE, HFC. H0B is 0.49 microamps per volts. Common emitter H0E is equal to 25 microamps per volts. Common collector H0C value is 25 microamps per volts. Okay. So these are the typical values. Last class we have all the characteristics. Based on the characteristics we can calculate this type of values. Now to converting from this is the common emitter to common base. Common emitter values means basic input values are these. 1100 ohms. To converting 1100 ohms to you have to obtain 22 ohms. So how can we calculate this expression is this? HIE value is 1100 ohms by 1 plus HFE 50. Finally, that is almost all equal to 22 ohms. So this is the converting from HIB value is default, that is the 22 based on 1100 ohms. So at input stage you have these 4 values. Based on these 4 you can converting in terms of common base values. Similarly, after that you will get same values 3 into 10 to the power of minus 4. HFV. What is the HFE value is? 50 by 1 plus, what is the meaning of this value is 50. So 50 by 51 is almost all, that is equal to less than 1, near to 1. So that value is 0.98. You can take in terms of negative, you better to use the minus symbol. Okay, this is the actual to converting from one level to another value. Okay. Next, HFB value. After substituting all these values, H0E is 25 microamps per volts by 1 plus HFE is 50. Finally, you will get 0.49 microamps per volts. So this is the actual methodology to converting from one level to another level. The simple shortcut is to converting from common emitter to common base. So all the functions under this is numerator, this one is denominator. Okay, all denominator functions, if you observe this, 1 plus HFE, denominator is 1 plus HFE, denominator is 1 plus HFE, denominator is 1 plus HFE. Like that you can design this. That is converting from common emitter to common base. Next, here HI. There also you have used HI. Is a B, this one is E. Here H, so simply HF. This is also HF. H0, H0 like that. So remaining expression is this is HR. You can take separate function is HR. Remaining you cover total 2, remaining 2 automatically you can represent this. This is actual simple shortcut to analyze. Okay. Next one is to converting from common emitter to common collector. In common emitter, input impedance is 1100 ohms. Common collector also 1100 ohms. So simply these both are same. So that is based on common emitter value you can calculate HIC value. Always the value is 1. So simply HRC value is equal to 1. Next, you know 50. How can you represent in terms of 51? 50 plus 1 is 51. Before that you can use minus symbol. Okay. And both values are same. Simply you can take this. Okay. This is the importance of to converting from one level to another level. So the main important role of converting is, you know, unknown values. For example, you have to calculate common base characteristics with the help of common emitter values. Then only you can use converting from common emitter to common base. For example, you have to calculate common collector characteristics, but you have common emitter values. Then you can converting from common emitter to common collector expressions. That is HIC, HRC, HFC and H0C. Then only you can converting from one level to another level. This is the main, this is one of the important topic in common in amplifiers. Thank you.